Good morning, party people. Hello. Welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. This is Jennifer Woolsey, your Avon beauty guide, and I'm going to take you on a quick makeup adventure. I hope you're all doing well this morning. I've already gone in with my skincare regimen. I'm changing things up a little bit. Always got to be changing a little bit. Of course, I'm using my Belif Aqua Bomb, which is the bomb, and my Skinvincible Day Cream. I added this morning in my Clinical Olive Pro. I use it at night. Helps with saggy eyes and puffy dark circles under your eyes. And then on top of that, I did my depuffing eye serum. Wow! So that's already done. I've already done my primer, my ink lasting primer. It is on. And now we're going to hop in with our ink lasting cushion foundation. So I use the shade Porcelain. Most of you know my skin is very fair, so it is a perfect match. So I just push it in the cush, pick it up a little bit, and kind of disperse. I did a little bit heavier today. I didn't quite mean to do that. That's okay. And then you just take your sponge and you pat gently into the skin. I'm going to pull this back behind my ears. I have my hair all done. I'm excited because I have an event today, so I'm wearing my shirt. So if you guys are in the Bowie area and looking for something fun to do, come out to the hall, which is off Highway 59 if you're going towards Montague from Bowie. You can follow the signs, and we are going to have a little craft show. Love your neighbor. Lots of great vendors out there. Fun stuff to look at and shop. Maybe you can find some Valentine gifts for your loves in your life. And you get to see a great place. The hall is a beautiful event location. So if you need directions, drop me a comment. It starts at 9 and goes until 4. So you don't want to miss it. It's going to be fun. Okay. I think we have that foundation on. Can you guys see just an instant difference like I do? As soon as I put that on, it's just like clear. It's almost like I'm looking for my, I guess don't know what I've done with it. I'm going to open a new Magix wand in Marshmallow. It's almost like a filter, right? So you put that foundation on and with that cushion, and it's almost like putting an instant filter on your face, which is amazing. And it feels great. It's not super heavy, which is my favorite part of a foundation. I don't like a heavy one, but I like full coverage. So Magix primer in Marshmallow, going down in a downward triangle. Oh, somebody is seeing the filter. Okay. I wanted to get a little bit closer because I want you guys to see the difference. So the thing that a concealer is going to do, especially if it's 2 shades lighter than your normal foundation, is it's going to highlight those under eye areas, not to make them stand out, but to really kind of conceal them. And then I just blend it in with that foundation. If you don't think that that is like a perfect blend, then you can take your Ruby So Puff and go over it just a little bit and blend. Yay! Now we're going to do some translucent loose powder over the top, because if you're looking for that filtered look, maybe you see somebody on social media post pictures and you're like, how does their face always look so matte and filtered? It's probably because they're using a good powder and a good foundation. Okay. What do you think? Yay! All right, so that is done. Let's see. I'm not sure today if I want to use Send Roses or if I want to use Mono Pop. Which one? I'm wearing my Avon shirt, so I'm thinking we're going to do Send Roses today. Sounds like a plan. So I'm going to take my flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to, oh no, not. I'm going to take my crease brush. I'm going to go through this darker color right here. I'm just going to crease right here. Notice that I start out wider in that bottom part, and I bring it to a little bit more of a narrow point as I move up. This collection, this Send Roses collection, is only going to be available for another couple of weeks. It's $15 and it's amazing, but it's a limited time offer. So it will go away. And so if you're thinking, I need that in my life, Jennifer, then you need to hop on to your avon.com/jwoolsey and go pick that up. Okay, I'm going to pick up this lighter shade and this lighter shade. I'm going to blend them. And I'm going to do this top part right here. Just realizing I forgot to do my brows. That's okay. We can do them. We can go back. No big deal. Okay. And then I'm going to take that same flat brush and I think I'm going to just pull this pink right here. And I'm going to do this bottom part and I'm going to blend it to that crease. Just going to blend it to that crease right there. Just adds a little bit of extra sparkle. And it kind of gives it a little bit of a different look. It's a pretty look. I don't know, I'll close my eyes and let you guys look at it. See what you think. Just reapplying that to make sure, because I'm going light. So I don't want it to be super dark. Okay, let me close the eyes. Let you guys get the full look. What do you think? What's the difference in the brushes? Well, this one, the flat one, to me is just better for like your base colors, like your highlight on the top and maybe your bottom colors. The crease brush is more of a blending brush. You can see it kind of has I don't know how to describe it. It just has a more rounded look where this one is flat. These brushes I've had forever. I clean them every month. But this one is better to blend, to kind of mix things together and it's kind of like a paintbrush, I guess. It's easier to paint with. That makes sense. Hope that answers your question. Cleaning brushes. Somebody was telling me the other day that they did not know that they needed to clean brushes. I'm going to go in now with my dark brown brow pencil and fill these things in here. Once a month, I take a bowl and put warm soapy water with like Dawn dish soap in there, and I let my brushes set for just a couple of minutes. And then I have a little rubber pad that I picked up like at the Dollar General, and I rub those brushes out to get all the makeup out, and then I clean them under a stream of warm water to get all the soap out. And I do that about once a month, once every 6 months, because I use my brushes all the time. And it just keeps that bacteria from going back on your face, which you don't want. And brushes can hold bacteria, whether you believe it or not. It's kind of crazy. So yes, if you are using brushes on a regular basis, they also sell like brush cleaner at like Ulta or I've seen it at the Dollar General. But you know, just Dawn dish soap does just as good. I'm going to use my Super Extend liquid eyeliner. So in the comment section, let me know, how often do you clean your brushes? Good morning, Amanda. I've heard people tell me, I just throw mine away. I'm like, you know, you can do that. She's going to clean them today. You can throw them away, but I mean, I spend good money on my brushes. So I'm not about just throwing stuff away if it can be cleaned. So I think that's really a personal choice. There are some, I'm going to be honest with you, my my powder brush, it gets pretty cakey pretty quick. So you can tell it's pretty used. It's loved. So I tend to replace this brush quicker than I do my eyeshadow brushes, just because it needs it more often, I guess. So, you know, I'll clean it probably for like 6 months and then I'll replace it. And depending on how much you spend on your brushes, you know, if you're just buying like, and I have brushes from everywhere. I'll show you some different. So I have, these are Avon brushes, and my powder brush is an Avon brush. My angle brush is an Avon brush. And then I have like a brush that I got at the Dollar, I think it's at the Dollar Tree. It's a Wet n Wild, and it doesn't tend to blend as well, but I like this brush for certain different eyeshadow looks. So I mean, that was like $1, so you know, that kind you can replace. I also have a couple of Morphe brushes that I use sometimes, especially if I'm doing certain eyeshadow looks. These brushes were like $20 for 4 of them. These I'm going to tend to clean and keep around a little bit longer. So, you know, it just really kind of depends on the grade of brush that you're using and how much you've invested on, whether that's something that you want to replace or something that you want to clean. Okay, Love Mascara is going on. Oh, you use the new shampoo and conditioner. I'm telling you, it has brought new life back into my hair. My hair was starting to look so dull. And I've been using the Chi shampoo, and it was working. I mean, it was doing good stuff. But when I got that lapel shampoo, it's made by bees. Oh my gosh, you guys. The health that it has brought back into my hair is just amazing. It's fabulous. I don't know. And the jugs are huge. And they are, I think it's $15 a piece. I'm also excited because we will soon have Chi hairspray, which I'm very excited about. I'll show you that shampoo. It's in my handy dandy shower. The lapel, or it's Propella. How about that? Shampoo and conditioner. Check out how big these jugs are. Y'all, this stuff has just done amazing things for my hair. It has given it life. It has given it shine back. It is fabulous. I'm in love with it. Okay, Cushion Blush in Coral. Works the same way as your Cushion Foundation. Bop. Pick up just a little bit. I went pretty dark on my eyes, so I'm not really wanting to go really dark on my cheeks. I just want a little kiss of color, and that brings the greatness to it. And then, of course, I'm going to be out today, so I'm going to use my highlighter, also a cushion. It just simply goes pop. Putting it on the tops of my cheekbones, where my blush went more on the jaw, on the cheekbone line. Okay, got a little highlight there. Do you guys use highlighter? Oh, it does smell good. And look how thick it is. This is my favorite part. Let me show you. Look how thick it is. It has the best, you know, it like foams up. It says it's good for, it has, ingredients are honey, royal jelly, and propolis, which is actually beeswax that the bees make from their hives. It thickens hair for fuller looking hair, strengthens hair shaft, helps with dry hair, oily hair, and helps to manage a balanced hair. It's awesome. And the conditioner is pretty thick too. The ingredients in it are the same, the main ingredients. It's a pretty thick conditioner. And I've been using this for like, Chad and I both have been using this for like, I don't know, a week and a half, 2 weeks. And we've only used it a little bit. It just takes a dab. I'm like, seriously, you're like, holy crap. Okay, today we're going to blend Ambitious and Devoted. I'm going to go ahead and go in with Ambitious first. And that's just a nudish type color. And the Mattitude, I love these Mattitudes. They go on matte. They have such a pretty look. And you could add like a clear lip gloss if you want a little bit of a shinier look. And now I'm going to add Devoted. and blend. You can always blend to get the perfect color that you want. Those are my probably two go-to, because I'm a pink girl. I like pink. It's my jam. Okay, so go clean your brushes today. If you don't do anything else, go clean your brushes. And if you're in the Bowie area, come out and see us at the event. Share this video. Somebody else is going to need these tips to help them feel successful in doing their makeup. And if you want to buy any of these products, you can shop at youravon.com/jwoolsey. And I'll put that link here in the comments so that you can click on it. Youravon.com/jwoolsey. And it's free to join Avon right now. You can join for free, get a 25% discount, and earn up to $4,000 in cash bonuses. What? It's only a limited time. So if you want to make some extra money, come join us and let's do this together. Thanks, guys. Y'all have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.